KDMFX. Join us. Never lose again.
Alright, I wanted to leave this part blank, completely blank, with just music playing in the background. Then I thought to myself, I was like, it is going to be unfair. So I'm just going to use this opportunity and maybe to reintroduce myself as you know who I am. This is King Demuse, KDMFX, KDMFX founder. So yeah, we've been trading for over 2 years now. We've been in the Forex market, for the synthetic markets, for 2 years now. Then for the rest of the markets, the stock market, the currency market, the Forex, the whole Forex thing, we've been in this game for over 4 years now. Yeah, so one thing I just want to tell you through my journey and what you're about to see right now is there's nothing which is going to beat this game than consistency in the market. You need to be consistent with your profits. You need to be consistent with what you're doing. And one other thing is, you know, no mentor is going to change the way you think. Like on a psychological level, you can be taught a lot of things. You can be shown a lot of things. You can learn a lot of things. But the rest, like I'll just say, a mentor is going to give you, it's going to give you, let's say, maybe 70% of what you need. Then you can take advantage of that 30% to practice and put in the work. You know that you don't get everything from one person. It's more like you want account management, or you want somebody to do everything for you. You just want to sit there and just gain the money. Like, you just start gaining. You don't want to put in the work. You just want to be lazy. You don't want to learn. You just want things to be done for you, and that's a bad thing. Forex doesn't work like that. Forex doesn't work like that. You need to understand it. You need to practice. You need to learn. You're going to find out in this video what I mean. The reason why you see people move from $30 to $1,000 within just 5 days, within just a week, I'd say. So it's very much possible. It's very much possible. What you're seeing right now, I'm sure it's massive profits, but all this just came from a tiny little account, guys. A tiny little account. If I was to post the account right now, you're going to be surprised. Anyways, I'll put it on the screen right now so that you can check it out. But the way it has been, I wouldn't say it hasn't been. It has been just profits throughout. Yeah, we make losses sometimes. But consistency is one which beats a game. Repeating the same thing over and over again. This is going to be very interesting. So, I was texted by one of my mentees. Yeah, so here's what's happening. Check this out, guys. I think I'm going to even attach the other video to this, so that you can hear it for yourself, where people are now making money like crazy now. You know, you just take in mentorship. You can just learn maybe for a month or two, even 3. This guy joined from November 2021. Yeah, he joined November 2021. It's been rough. Like, he's been up and down, but he never gave up. So, keeping that same mentality, check what he did. He only started with this. I don't know if I should just do a slideshow right here, so that you can see how it's been moving like this. Okay, yeah, this is going to be much better. Look at this, $30. Look at this. This is my analysis where I took my entries, and check this out. You see how it's moving? Check this out. This is a new account again. Look, it even went as low as $11, guys. $11 just to push and move it with volatility. You see? Check this out, guys. Isn't this awesome? This is another account he started with. So the conversation is very short. After too much practice, guys. Is it? It's my only hope to get financial freedom. He knows what he wants. This is why he's putting in the work, and is making sure the same account You see? You see? Thank you for guiding me. All right, we'll end here for this one. Because I think that's how it has been. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so let's have another sneak peek at another guy here again. Here's another one. Here's another one. Yeah, this one is a long-time member. Don't be surprised. Yeah, we had some issues and stuff here, but everything went on just all right. Okay, let me see.
Good day, so actually good evening. I manually put on the indicators in the moving averages on my PC, but if you have time, I just want you to check if all the settings is right, because I put in all the settings according to. Okay, I have this here, but I'm just gonna, let me just delete this low to that high.
You know, this is nice. You give someone an assignment, then they submit. Like they show. You don't know how it feels. They show you that it's working for them. Like you know, like it's playing out. Like it's playing out the way it's supposed to play out. Anyways, let's go to the results after the analysis and everything. You know, he's very good at analyzing the markets. Very good. So you see, got that spike right there. Check this out. You know, this I'm sure at least you saw it. I'm already in this trade. No, it's on cash 500 for him. Okay, I'm in cash 300. What are you going to check? Check this out. All these trades, analysis. It did analysis
So
the same
I'm
way I
talking
did it.
about these 2 points here on top. That failure swing there, and then I have this resistance.
Okay, so what's good right here? So you see all these trades, small accounts. He's just been trading the small accounts, and yeah,
I saw this here. After the spike, did 3 spikes. I marked the fib on the M5, the swing low and the swing high. There, I know it can break that high, but what I saw is here I could see the entry here on entry 1, and then the market came down. I'm just observing this here, the TP point. I haven't entered. I could have been in profit now, but I haven't entered. I'm just observing everything. I will do my entries after my observations. Yeah, I like to watch and see how you explained it, and then go back and do it just like you explained it. Okay, but yeah, thank you.
okay. All right, so this is just going to be the last of them. I think more updates are going to come in, but let's just end the video with the last update. Like this is just going to be the last update on this. You don't want to miss out on these guys. Okay, so they asked for mentorship. That was last year. He asked about mentorship last year. Then yeah, I showed him what he needed to show. Then yeah, he wanted to pay for mentorship. Okay, so yeah, since May came to November, you know, yeah, sometimes it's fine. Okay. All right, but anyways, So analysis and money management. You represent your troubles. What you need to be worked on? Like what's really needed for you to get up to speed? You tell me what you need. You get. Like I'm not able to detect or know how it has been for you, and how things have been for you, how things have been with you. Who's this one? Oh, this is the previous guy. This is the previous guy. The previous guy I'm showing you guys the second one. So yeah, this is where the trade's taken. Okay, I'm willing to learn. So you see, it's easy when someone says I'm willing to learn. I'm always impressed by the way you trade. Yeah, this was volatility 100. So December. So in fact, I started with this guy, with this man. I started with him late last year. That was late last year. He joined the group, joined the elite group. He just kept communication like that. Yeah, he just kept communication like that. But in the group, he's been learning. Now check. This is the most interesting part, guys. I got fired and other employees. You see, so after getting fired, I'm sure for him the only source of income he thought of was just Forex. Nothing more, just Forex. You get Forex. Imagine you don't have a job, you don't have anything at the moment. Then the only thing you have is just something which you can manage on your own. Yeah. So here he was using a trading robot, right? Not really that good. You see, this is a trading robot. After watching your YouTube, this is my profits for the day. Yo. Now we're getting to the interesting part. You see? Now we're getting to the interesting part. You see? The whole strategy is here now. You see? Guys. I'm learning. Every day is a new thing. That's good. Keep it up. Okay, thank you.
No, exactly the same thing I was trying to say in the video I wanted to upload today, where the difference between a trading robot and a person who's taking trades, or a person who's just watching the market and analyzing it without taking any action. That the person who's taking that action is going to profit than the person who's just going to watch the market every time. You find that everyone knows where to take the market, like where to take a trade and everything else, but it's just something else. It becomes something else for that person who's just watching and that person who's taking the trades. At least the person who's taking the trades is going to learn and are going to improve as time goes by. So yeah, it's good that I can see the good results which are coming out from you. So you just keep on understanding the market and knowing all that. Though I've always looked forward to having a Zoom session with you, but I always miss that opportunity. I don't even know why. There are other things which I would like to show you on the PC indicators, so that the same way you're using the mobile, you can also understand what's happening in the PC, so that you can know how far the market can go, and when it starts spiking, how far the market can go and reach after the spikes before making a pullback, and also what you need to look out for when looking at the 4-hour candlesticks. The 4-hour candlesticks, how it's going to form, in the next candlestick, how it's going to behave. You need to understand all those things as well.
Now the problem comes in. Where the problem comes in is you, who's in between these people and what you're seeking. You find that someone is making profits, you want to follow that person. then you don't really even dedicate your time to try out, because you don't even know how long it took that person to develop that skill and knowledge are going to impact in you. You don't have that time to sit down. No one is going to teach you trading psychology, so you won't have that time to sit down and analyze the market for yourself. You just see what they're doing, then you want to do that. You won't even have that time to think, why is this person doing this? Why is this person taking a trade here? You don't ask such questions. All you want is just to be given a signal to buy, to sell, and to be told what the market is going to do. You even if we have given you all the tools and that stuff, you don't want to use them. You don't want to explore. You understand? Then now where the major problem comes in is me. I'll be trading boom and crash. I'll master it, and I'll be making profits off of it. The other person, like I said, they'll be trading these other markets. So what are you going to be doing? You want to jump to me because you're seeing I'm making profits? You want to go to that other person, you see they're making profits. Me, I might be going with the trends when I'm trading boom or crash. Then the other person is going to go for the spikes. You see me trading the trends, you just try maybe within a week. You try within a week, you've given up. You want to start catching the spikes. You lose out money trying to catch the spikes. Then you feel like everything is not working. So all I'm urging you guys to do is just focus. If you want to be mentored by me, come to me, talk to me, do what I tell you. If you want to be mentored by someone who's trading Forex, go to them. Okay, you know the difference when it comes to the PC strategy and the mobile strategy is that on the PC you get to have signals given to you. So we use the moving averages on the mobile so that we implement the same thing which is happening on the PC, on the mobile. The signal comes after the crossing of the moving average. On higher time frame, you can find those entries. As long as the conditions are right, you can take advantage of that. Now, for some people, if I tell them that's a signal to sell, when the conditions are not right, when the market is coming from a support, you find that it will pop up a signal. For them, if they don't know how to use that, they'll take it as a sell signal, then they get spiked instead of them using it as a buy signal, because they have already seen the conditions are played out to being a buy signal. Because this picture I sent, the market was touching the support. Then from there it started spiking, and if you see closely, we had the crossing of the RSI on the bottom right there, and the market signal. Excuse me, and the market signal. Then afterwards, it started spiking, going all the way up, covering up the red bars, like I've always mentioned. So, so the crossing of the moving averages on the main chart and the crossing which you see on the mobile and on the PC are just the same. So I just put up everything, which is just everything. I just got the mobile strategy, put it on the PC. I mean, whatever was happening on the PC, I merged it with a mobile strategy so that at least if you're using your mobile, you can see something which is familiar and take advantage of the trend.
You're now listening to the 100 Beats.
So we're just going to wrap it up right here now. Yep.
You're now
Yeah.
listening